Hey there, English learners! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in the south of Latvia, standing here in front of one of the most beautiful and historically important landmarks in the country, the Bauska Castle. Let's go and explore together for your listening practice.
The town of Bauska is quiet and peaceful. It is closely connected to history, especially Bauska Castle, which stands near two rivers.
The castle was built at the end of the 15th century by the Livonian Order.
This was a powerful group of knights in the Baltic region. A knight is a soldier in the Middle Ages. At that time, that area was often in danger from nearby countries. Because of this, the castle was built as a strong military fortress. A military fortress is a strong building used to defend against enemies. Cannons were also used to protect the castle from attacking armies. Cannons are large weapons used in battles. The stones in the walls look rough and old. This shows how long the castle has existed.
The outer part of the castle was used mainly for defense.
Soldiers trained here, guarded the gates, and kept their weapons. Weapons are tools used in fighting or war. This area was very busy with daily military work and preparation for attacks. The castle also had stables. Stables are buildings where horses are kept. Horses were very important in medieval times. They were used for travel, transport, and war. At the beginning of the 17th century, Bauska Castle became a home for the Dukes of Courland. There were large halls and private rooms. They were filled with heavy wooden furniture, such as long tables, chairs, cupboards, and chests. Chests are large wooden boxes for storage. Beds were made of wood and covered with thick fabrics to keep warm in winter. Rooms also had tapestries and fine furniture, which showed wealth and high social status. Tapestries are thick, decorative fabric on walls. Chimneys were used to heat the castle during cold winters. Chimneys are heating structures. Light came from candles placed in candle holders on tables and walls. Candle holders are objects that hold candles. Visitors can also see noble clothing from the 16th and 17th centuries. Women wore long dresses with wide skirts and decorated tops. Both men and women wore ruff collars. A ruff collar is a stiff collar worn around the neck. The castle kitchen was an important working place. It had large fireplaces for cooking, metal pots, pans, knives, and other kitchen supplies. Supplies are items kept for use.
But the history was not always kind to the castle. In the 18th century, because of the wars with the Russian Empire, the castle was burned and abandoned.
The main tower is about 22 meters high. Guards use the tower to watch the land and the rivers. Guards are people who protect the place or other people. Today, Bauska is a modern town with schools, health centers, and services for local people. Life in Bauska is calmer than in the capital city. At the same time, the town continues to grow, protecting its history.
Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you in the next adventure.